Yes. Hi.
Good morning.
Morning. I'm where? Fifi. Any.
Yes,
How are you?
Fine.
Oh. Are you doing good?
Yeah.
Still English now. Still.
Yeah, great.
About your head.
Oh, you're not doing it, but not sure.
How are you feeling?
Also. Ginel. Beautiful.
Darling.
Oh yeah, oh.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Come on, where?
When you're about to say now.
Where are you?
Wow. Beautiful.
Ginel.
Yes. Yes. How are you? Come and hug me. How was school?
Okay.
Oh, you thank God. Have a seat. Hey, Namu, where? Nyame to now so.
I'm feeling very
We said them puni. This yeah, the woman to my Emma.
Missing.
Yeah. Darling.
Baby.
So now for me. Yeah, visitors here.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, are you learning hard?
Yes.
Are you sure? Did you pass your exams?
I think so.
You think so? You think so? But it's promotional.
You think so or
Oh, you know so.
Okay, yes.
It's a show. It's a show, and now you think.
It's a must.
It's a max. Yeah, you think so. You think it is. When you want to say what you are.
Oh, I believe in myself.
Sure.
You believe yourself.
So now you've been promoted to your next class.
Yeah.
To class
4.
4.
Oh, really?
Wow. Beautiful.
Welcome on.
Oh,
Okay. So no way.
no way up.
Okay. And my baby have.
Why you be anything? I already mummy science me and mama name. And yapone a very free school by no said I be so much. Tina was any anti me out in the back. Money bet you.
That's the afternoon. Now, mobile, Mamma will drink.
Oh, don't worry, see if you feel by net, yeah, more mother than you.
Things with the mobile and a mobile. Oh, that's not saying with TV, a queer baby.
So I said, they can create
Into the Ghana,
come again.
I'm enjoying.
You enjoy, so I should leave you and go, right?
No.
Oh, enjoy. Feel free, eh?
Feel free. Here's your home too as well, so
okay.
you can play. Very soon you get a boy. Okay? So you'll be playing with him. So feel free. So person will call you.
No, feel free. Feel free.
Okay.
Very good, right?
I want swing.
You want to sing?
Of course.
Are you going to sing? I go and sing. Go and sing. What question does a good darling?
Oh,
What?
Good.
That's not what I mean.
You know,
Okay, swimming pool. I want to swim.
and as you go and take drugs.
The swing is different from the swimming pool.
Remember, what I say? Swing, you know what can be.
I said, originally, I know.
What?
I don't know yet to say, oh, swinging.
You're sitting on a chair like.
That's
Oh,
well, I've been
Yes.
Oh. Because we are so good. Okay. Intervals. Interval.
Yes, intervals.
Yeah. So when you wanted to say something again, right?
I think yes. So what I want to say is, I want to go upstairs and feel free and sleep.
Just like that. So
you want to go to upstairs?
Yes.
Hold on.
Also, we don't want your straw hole.
That's all. I said, when you do this at the board, I'm watching.
So you're watching cartoon here?
I'm not a kid.
Oh, of course. Sorry.
I'm watching.
You're not a kid.
I'm watching a commando movie.
but its end. It's at a different place.
Is it?
Why do you want to watch a cartoon?
Yes.
You watch cartoon?
Yes.
Okay, you start that question.
This time I'm not sure to come. Does not come. Let me move to somewhere else. Ooh. It's still bouncing. Really nice. My dolly. I love you. My dad. My daddy.
Hey, Blessing. Don't you know that here is a living room? You don't supposed to play in here.
But I'm playing.
Huh?
I'm playing.
Oh dear, bro, wait. Hey, baby, hey, baby.
Stop!
Shut up and let me talk.
Shut up! Shut it up, man. I got mad. I'm gonna mess you up.
Hey, I said stop it.
I'm not going to stop it.
Listen.
Whoa. Demu.
Why you sound so busy? Come here.
Akwada ketewa na atoto ama ne mesa no. Aha, enye me ba na. Me ba. Wo huri wa akwanyam.
Listen. I didn't know we. You never free him for. Papa, you papa. What's the mega trouble? No matter what, he's your dad, okay?
Okay.
You don't have to talk to him like that. Please.
Sorry.
This sorry doesn't have to come to me. You have to go to your dad and tell him you are sorry, okay?
Okay.
Go.
Dad, please, I'm starting. Promise. Please.
Listen. You know I am your daddy. Eh? So we bibi o na enye na me ka kire wo se enya tie me. Fisi o papa me ni niye. Okay? All right. Kosoro me ba. Why? We nyina nya nwanwa. O ma me na kire me sa suban no. Washe dama akra ne bepa me chew na me hu se o kira akra no ekwan papa bi na ebia ifiade yo na wo ye no ne nkama susu ni mu me so o mu sei me am ye jana me wo fie na me provide no wo ye wase bia wo fie nwuma no chese wo ye we na nkama tete so fie nwuma de otwini muta wo no a na beye ono a me nso ni mu ba kumpo ade ntina me nso mu ade nya me na be provide
Sweetie, go to your room. And take off your dress. I'm going to prepare something for you, okay? Your dad will come home very soon. So I have to prepare food for your dad, okay? All right, go upstairs. Okay.
I need it to be sure what happened. Whoa.
Let's see. Listen, what is this? Because Kosua no mona me ye aduane de ama baby fie sisi ni papa ko me ye we nti wo me mabo. Adan. Good. Okay. Let's see. Would you not see? Would you not see? I have a living room. Until listen. So papa fra bonten. Na so do ho be fia no sisi na de wire he. Efe. Listen, look at your moon. I'm cooking, I'm washing. It's just everything. The fia no me ye be of me bread. And yes, I'm a town, me do. About time beer, person a bar. And you know, be a penny, papa. About time beer, person a cancer, some a bunny basso. Miss Slow, me do bar. Me pacho in your view. What did I make at you? So come do. Until we were made on my aunt, my Adrian, any time I'm with it. Tis I'm a picky son in my winning answer, and son of my go to Adrian. Just go inside. Just go inside. Go to your room, okay? Sorry. Go to your room. Come here. Look what you see.
One day, so I don't know, see how we here. Boy, Tinty, be no better packing card on her own. I'm a friend of Melly. Where's come on?
There's a whole family, and I said,
China and I have said, and I said, blessing.
I'm not sure. I think it's a blessing school back
China! Ada na wo bo chaskele wa ha na. Ah?
Honey, and me fault me patch of me na baby ne ye.
And I will say you fault. Who now what now I'm mixing up no. What's say you fault? It means I am in fault. Baby what? My fault.
And your fault, and miss me fault. May I deal kitchen me buy na why ya no see.
Na oba ya wo so I has said wo twan ama nka me de ho. Wo twa ama me de ho ho ba ya. Na ka wa kuma anim ase.
Ebi o me de ade sisu na chese mo shinse ma me de me ka kokko he me.
Etu wo timi ma ho nya asa ade sisu no wo ye fast aba be tie there up. Ha? Na wo kura wo ye die nipa. Ha? What ma asa afi kura de awade a me ware no ase me ho tete me. Dabi maminka ade a wo ye ne nye. What ma sha ma akra enka wo ya ade no na wo ha wa ba be hwa akra no wo be hwe ne kakra no akoye wo be hwe ne kakra no akoye. What ma sha wa ma na ya ade na bi wo pa so be hu se watotu nyoma agu ha no anka wo se wo hye no what twan ma me de me ne Kelvina ebe koye ho a wagumani wase.
Marcus, are you listening to
Me
me?
ti onko si say. Huh? Me ti onko si say. It is the bank da pa na China for once. Me ni umi enu bet na fia me hu se ene de. Why ya de? Why you bibia kama? Huh? Da bank enko si da bank.
Go inside and make clear.
Let me do it. And I'm sorry. Please.
O ka sorry no kwa no ka me kasa kwa no aye ntem. No was what she said. Fatu da na said ye.
Brother, I'm not in your job.
Oh my God, please give me
Bless.
Please give me.
What matter wa ma na ya say. Me ne me wo ko bi ba ya na say me ne business partner bi wura ha. E ka me ne wo na nim no afi na wo siesi ha no.
I said I'm sorry. Please.
Sorry for yourself.
Now they're coming. Say hi, okay.
It is say aduane so nya ready. Abra wonim se meba fie. Ma ho nye ha. Dika bremi so num. Udua no wa bremi. Fabia bra wan wine. Bremi so num. Menum wia bremi drink. Me drink manum awie na aduane bi so. Ka ho. Me num so ni wa ha. Anum drink no anti me wia na aduane ready wo dining. Adai. Wo a wo kire me ne menye. Ready di ha. Ready di dining. Kelvina ready di wo dining. Me ready di ha. For me aduane bread ha. For so bra. Uria ko na kofa drink ne bra sana me aduane no de aba ha. I can't tell me say yeah. I can't worry that wouldn't send me a worry here. Or buy what person me ya compo.
Listen. Anna, how much money these are? Huh? Pardon?
Dad is beating mom. That's the reason why I came and sit here.
You came, that's why you sit here.
Yes.
Your daddy, you're beating your mom.
Yes, that is beating mom. And I'm too sad.
Don't.
Every day, me and my wife, we were happy, but we are sad. And that is beating mommy too much. I always say that beating in my room. If I go and say something, problem.
Don't worry. I don't know. Can I say every day, every time
But
you watch? But today, I'm going to say who steady at the bar. That's who are for when the eye is all about the process, and you get to be seen, you learn. Every day, sometimes we go
so
to
I
school.
want to tell you, can you confirm my dad? So
Yes.
thank you.
Today going, every day I saw your father, I talked there.
It's not sorry.
And who your father, I talked there.
Oh, yeah, I want to ask you this question. Where did you attend school?
My tiny school is my
He
home.
found a local school.
Okay, maybe
The school didn't. Okay, what's the name of the school?
my head uncle. Mijai JHS.
You stopped DHS, so why can't you pronounce the name of the school?
SDA primary school. My stopping SDA primary school.
So you stopped at SDA primary school.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. But your English is not good. Can you come to me and I'll teach you more English?
But your father English is good.
Yes, it's good than you.
And obo mama sa. Oni ma je bo no obo mama sa. Ni ma ge fi e koko ma. Asiafo. Na mo we la. E de school de jimi ko na so ni na mo. Ni ma ge so no. Gen ti ata ma. O di awo sha wish bunto na e go e. Ata mo come for again ti. Na mo di sisi ma. Play in this. But are you a children? Don't be it.
Then I'm winning you.
I'm winning you. I'm winning you. I'm winning.